Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to change your Facebook username on your PC or laptop. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Then click on your profile picture located in the upper right corner. From the menu that opens, click the Settings and Privacy tab. Then click on Settings. On the Settings page that opens, click on Account Center on the left side. If you don't see it, you can find it by typing it into the search bar. Now, click on the account whose username you want to change. Click Username. Enter your new username and click the Done button. I hope this step-by-step tutorial on how to change your Facebook username on your PC or laptop was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.